Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? We're on the road trip. Gotta focus. We are headed to Southern Idaho. We have 503 miles to cover. We're about 2 hours into the trip. We left bright and early. We're just now getting a little bit of light to be able to say good morning to you guys. Got my North Country Off-Grid shirt on. Get you one. Links in the description right down below. Click it. But we are passing through Montana right now, guys. We are in Big Sky country, and it is living up to its name. Man, Montana is beautiful. It's a great drive. But we're on the road, so we're just checking in. Where did we just stop? We just stopped at the 50,000 silver dollar bar. Picked up a little bit of something for a giveaway for you guys. And I don't know why I'm hollering, but I'm yelling in the car. Anyway, we are cruising through Montana. There's three routes to Southern Idaho. You can go through Montana, you can cut through Washington, Oregon, or you can go right down the belly of Idaho, right past Idaho Hillbillies' home. But we're not going that way. We're going through Montana. It's a beautiful drive, and it's our closest route as well. Always be friendly to passengers on the road. Never give them the bird unless they earned it. All right, guys, we'll check in later.
What are you doing, Pals? That's cool. Is it a how-to?
Yeah.
Very fun. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, my truck.
Having fun? Roadside bingo? Let's see that, Pins. Fun. Having a fun road trip, huh? Woohoo!